Hello and welcome. This is Jaideep from IBM. In this demo, I will demonstrate how to find the root cause for high response time in the SAN environment using IBM Spectrum Control. Let's say we have got a problem statement that high response time was observed for a brief period in the transaction workload around today 11 a.m. So here in our lab, we have configured custom alerts for storage that are hosting the transaction workloads. This custom alert will be triggered if the storage response time crosses 10 ms, and it will also send a mail to the storage administrator. So as we can see, I have got a mail when overall response time exceeds 10 ms around 11 a.m. Right? On the spectrum control, we can also head over to the alert section to see if any alert for overall response time is generated. So here we can see we have one alert for high response time, right? We can double click on this alert to see more information like the category of the alert, the resource, and the timing of the alerts. So since we have identified that the response time was high on the storage, we will now try to find the cause behind. For this, let's go to the storage performance view. We can right click on our storage and then click on view performance. So in this graph, we can see the total IO rate and overall response time. Now let's compare the alert timing with the chart. We can see the spike in IOPS and response time around 11 a.m. Now this behavior was there for next 1 hour, we can see. And the performance trend afterwards went back to the normal. Now let's look at the host performance to see if this is caused by any of the host. For this, we right click on the storage and launch host connection performance. We can also correlate the storage performance with other components. Now let's get back to the host connection performance. Click on this. I'll open both of these side by side so that it is easier for us to compare. Now here we can see the similar pattern of IOPS and response time. We move the mouse to the chart on the host performance page, and we can see that Cohiba host pattern showing increased IOPS and response time. Let's double check by clicking the Cohiba host and compare the pattern with the storage. And we see that it matches exactly, right? Now let's also have a look at the transfer size to validate change in workload on this particular host. For this, we'll remove the IO rate and we will select the total transfer size or the overall transfer size. Okay, we can see that the transfer size is 500 KB during the same time period, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So we can conclude that there was some additional IO activity happening on this Cohiba server, which ran for around 60 minutes and was the cause for high response time on the storage. Thank you.